How to play Valorant Mobile on Android. The official Valorant Mobile has launched. It's developed by Tencent in partnership with Riot Games, and right now it's in limited beta, but only in China. Let me show you how to download and play Valorant Mobile on your Android phone. First, we need a Chinese app store called 3839, which I have already downloaded and installed. You can search on your browser for 3839 Game Store and need to do your research to get it. After successfully installed it, open the 3839 Game Store and tap on the green icon. Swipe it to go ahead. Now tap on the Valorant game icon. Then tap on the green button to start download. The download will begin. After finish the download, click on the Start Playing button. It will launch the game. After open the game, some resource file will be downloaded. Now we need to sign in. The beta only supports WeChat or QQ accounts plugin. I am going to sign in with WeChat account. Click on the red button. Once logged in, you will see the familiar Valorant loading screen. Tap on the red button to enter the lobby to start the matchmaking. So that's how you can play Valorant Mobile on Android. Thanks for watching.